We cannot frame a sentence without a verb. They are often termed as action words. They indicate thoughts and actions. A verb is a word that expresses action or a state of being. Verbs indicate when the action happened, how many things were involved in that actions, and they can also describe an action. The tense of a verb indicates time. Unlike other parts of speech, a verb changes form to express time. Let's follow the sentences. We drink apple juice, we drank apple juice, and we will drink apple juice. Drink indicates present tense, drank indicates past tense, and will drink indicate future tense. Classification of verbs. Verb can be classified as following. Main verbs can be divided into two categories, transitive and intransitive, whereas auxiliary verbs can also be divided into two categories. They are primary verbs and modal verbs. Transitive verbs take objects, whereas intransitive verbs do not take an object. Do follow the next episode